Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. So if you want to disable restricted mode on your YouTube account, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to disable or turn off restricted mode on YouTube, all you need to do is go ahead and open the YouTube application. Then click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Again, locate and click on the settings icon at the top right. And then click on General. Under General, locate and click on Restricted Mode. This helps hide potential mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. These settings only apply to this app on this device. So if this is enabled, to turn off the restricted mode on your YouTube account, just click on it and then you're good to go. So that is basically how you can easily disable or turn off restricted mode on YouTube. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.